Well, I got my wife texting me. I'm doing one more video to show you guys. I'm going to use GarageBand, and I have it connected with a connector directly to my iPad, and I'm triggering iPad sounds. I got this little light here. It's too much light. And using the Novation launch key. The launch key is like a 49 key controller, and it's got all type of capabilities. We're actually using the camera connector to the USB cable to lower the speed of the connection, lower the power of the connection. So here's a GarageBand B3. Of the Bose speaker, because what that does is it causes us not to have Bluetooth. Sometimes will give you latency that you don't need, but there is absolutely no latency whatsoever. Also, let's look at this. Let's get out of this app. I'm gonna close that one out. Boom. That's all you gotta do is close the app. Let's go to the Korg module, which is another collection of keyboards and synths and pianos and organs, and here's a natural rose. And when you put it on the actual module so you can watch it, you actually will see the keys move. And if you need to do any adjustments of your settings on the actual module, you could change settings on the actual module itself. So my man John Mike, my man Sam Sims, they have some other apps that are available for iPad as well. They have some other techniques. You just need to go to their YouTube channels and check out that stuff. We actually also have this particular the launch key by Novation gives you two other free apps. The launch key app, and that is more kind of for your dance type stuff. So what I do is I would turn the Korg module off and just get that out of there, and we'll go into the launch key app, which gives you all your little all your different type of sounds, clav type sound, and you can tweak all those sounds. Also, the launch key has another app which I've used. They call that one the Launch Pad. Now that one is one of my favorite apps right now because it gives you stuff like, let's see, an LA Underground plugin. I'll put it at about 93 BPM. We'll open that up, and you've got these pads here, which coincide with these pads. Okay, got a beat going there. And say you want to add something to that beat, that's the drums. And just build it up. And put your and it matches up with these pads. And you can trick these things out like this. Watch this. Got a little go out of that, go into another beat. Move that to about 132. That's a trance beat. several different loops that you're working with. It's so much fun, man. But it's a long video I just gave y'all. That's about 5 minutes. I don't think you guys even got the time to even look at this whole video. So, peace. Holla at your boy. Timstrel, you need to know more about it? I'll hook you up. Forgive the lighting. It's your boy, Tim Johnson. Peace. Timstrel is in the house.